Broncos, there is still time to register for the Navigate 2020 Virtual College Fair and Conference. The virtual fair will be held through May 6 from 12 to 8 p.m. Register at the link below. This link is also available on the College and Career Readiness website and in your CCR Google Classroom. Juniors, don't miss out on the opportunity to join a virtual presentation from the University's team on May 7th at 2 p.m. This is a great time to learn about the school's programs and scholarships. You can register for the event at bit.ly/CCR Eventbrite or click on the link in the Junior CCR Google Classroom.
This isn't a place for the weak-minded, the weak-willed, or anyone who lacks determination. This is a place where greatness is forged. Each rep, every inch is earned. Douglas Nation, the Broncos want to thank you for your continued love and unwavering support throughout these unprecedented times. We want you to know that your encouragement won't be for nothing, because one day, the doors of our home will open back up. And as soon as the whistle blows, we will be ready.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Wow, what a couple of videos we just saw. I'm telling you what, guys, I can't wait to get back on campus, to get back to the normalcy and the routine and just be a principal that doesn't have to principal from his living room. So coming to you live or pseudo live here from my house, I want to remind you guys that we have at our disposal Mastery Prep. And Mastery Prep is an ACT software package that can help you boost your score. You're getting your scores back from ACT now, so it's a good idea to go in, and that's Mastery Prep. Your email, your student email is your login, and the password, if you have not changed it, which I encourage you to do, change your password. Don't use the same password all the time. Have unique passwords that no one can figure out. Anyway, the stock password is Mastery Prep 789 exclamation point. Get into Mastery Prep and just work on those ACT skills. Remind you and encourage you that today is an A day. We're going to meet with our A day teachers and we're going to do a good job on Canvas. We're going to do a good job responding and doing our tasks. I need the seniors to finish your NTI work by the 15th so we can get your transcripts updated. We can get all your credits set up and we can add you to the program for graduation. We also have pictures that we're collecting. I need you to communicate with Mr. Melton and Miss King and make sure that you are all in and included into our graduation. Guys, hashtag beat C19, hashtag FDHS Broncos Strong. Let me see you guys being healthy, Let me see you guys participating in social distancing. Let me see you guys going out for a walk. Let me see you guys doing some schoolwork. Tag those hashtags, FDHS Broncos Strong, hashtag beat C19, and show us what you're doing. Like you saw in yesterday's video, social distancing doesn't mean isolation. Keep in touch with your friends, support each other, participate in our virtual our virtual college fair. That's important for you to continue to really strive to meet your goals. I'm Lester Diaz, your principal, and it is an honor and a privilege to serve you in this capacity. Go Broncos! Yeah.